the fat-burning iced matcha. It's sort of a coffee substitute, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell us about this.
Well, out of all the recipes in the book, this is the only one I could take claim to, is because Mama Z is the brilliant mastermind behind all of them. And I came up with this to get me off the coffee habit. Because unlike coffee that gives you a nice spike down and you crash, some people have jitters, matcha green tea gives you a nice bell curve of energy. It's cancer fighting, it helps you promote weight loss, and we add some cinnamon bark and peppermint essential oil, which helps curb hunger cravings and also balances blood sugar. It's wonderful, and it tastes great.
We are going to be making an iced matcha latte, or just an iced matcha tea, or...
Well, or do you want to make the fat burning one? Do you want to burn fat?
Sure.
Let's go hot. But you can serve it over ice if you want.
Okay. So
All
we're
right.
going to do one hot, one... We'll just do both versions.
Perfect.
Okay. Hot and cold.
All right, we're going to put 2 cups in our Vitamix here. And then we're also going to use 2 cups of the Califa Farms unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Perfect. We make this every morning, so if you're trying to limit your coffee, this is a great way to go. You want to use a tablespoon here. Rounded is perfect. 4 to 6 eyedroppers full of liquid stevia. My favorite is coconut. So we're going coconut today. All right, so we're gonna use 2 drops of your peppermint and 2 drops of cinnamon bark essential oil. You could go a little bit more if you like it. Now, I'm gonna add just a little bit of vanilla to this. This is optional, but you know, honestly, everything tastes better with vanilla in my book. So we're gonna do 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla in there. All right, are you ready for the magic to happen? All right. You can add MCT oil, coconut oil in addition, or a little bit of butter.
Should we add a little bit?
Go ahead. Yep, perfect. And you'll get even more froth, so you can see it's already frothing. All right. Perfect. So one thing that I like to do, and you're gonna notice there is a lot of extra foam. You see all that foam up in there? So one thing that you can do is I actually put my cinnamon in a shaker and shake it over top, which helps to take the bubbles and breaks them up. But we've cut our foam down quite a bit, and you can top with more. And sometimes what I'll do is I'll actually put a cookie cutter over the top, like a heart or a star, and then shake it over that so then it has hearts and stars on the top. All right, let's taste them.
it.
Cheers.
Cheers. That is to die for. I love it. Okay, we now are gonna do the iced version. The hot version is absolutely to die for. Let's try the cold iced version out.
So I already put the 2 cups of the unsweetened vanilla almond milk in here, a tablespoon of our matcha, 4 to 6 eyedroppers full of our liquid stevia, 1/4 teaspoon of our vanilla extract, 2 dropper of the peppermint and 2 dropper of the cinnamon bark, and 1/2 teaspoon of our cinnamon. All right, here we go. Okay, perfect. Now at this point you could actually add the ice in, or you can put it in your cup.
And I'll see which one I like better, hot or cold.
Alrighty.
Ice on the top.
Perfect. What do you think?
I can't decide, I love them both.
Awesome.
They are delicious. Really, really good, to die for.
Do something good for your body. It only takes a couple of minutes, and I know you will love it.
So good.